Hello, welcome to American School of English Language. Guys, during this video we will see how to use correlative conjunction either or. So let's proceed. But before we move on, please subscribe my channel so you can see weekly video about my channel. So let's start. We use either or to present two options. It emphasizes the fact that choice is only limited to two given options. For example, I want to paint the house either white or green. So white or green are two words. So one thing you need to remember, the correlative conjunction either or join words, phrases, or clauses to each other. So white or green are two words. Let's either go swimming or go shopping. Go swimming and go shopping are two phrases. So let's see some more examples. Either your friend will pick you up or you will get a ride home with a friend. So either or is giving two options. Either you friend either your friend will pick you up or you will get a ride home with a friend. So here, sorry, let me pull out highlighter. So here, either your friend pick you up is a class and you will get a ride home with a friend is also a class. So either or is joining two classes. So let's see another example. We could either hike up the mountain or swim in the lake afternoon. So here, hike up the mountain is what? A phrase. Swim in the lake is also a phrase. Why is phrase? Because it's missing the subjects. So let's take another example. Oh, oh. Either the doctors or the nurses will visit the patient at least once a day. So it's giving the options that either doctor or nurses will visit the patient at least once a day. The doctors or the nurses is phrase. So they either are joining two phrases in this case. Let's see some more example. Either you will learn how to do your job or you will have to face the consequences. It's giving two options here that you need to either do your job or you will have to face the consequences. So here is also it's two clauses. Do your job is clause and you will have to face the consequences is what? As another clause. Let's see another example. Either you or James should make sure to attend the meeting. So in this case, either you or James are two words. So either are is joining two words in this case. Let's see another example. Either you can finish your homework or you can watch TV. So in this case, either or are joining two classes. So let's see. Let me put it here. It should be here. Full stop here. I should full stop here, and it's joining two classes. Either you can finish your homework or you can watch TV. So that is how this correlative conjunction either or two works. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you very much.